Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with two essentials, a charged Redmi and a secure screen lock, because developer options can expose system settings. First, open Settings, go to About Phone and tap MIUI version 7 times to unlock the menu. Once done, back out to Settings and locate Developer Options. It's hidden until you enable it. Make sure to take note of your lock method. You may be asked to confirm it. Now that developer options are visible, you're ready for configuration. You'll now configure the main toggles that matter. First, flip the Developer Options master switch on. This activates the menu. Next, enable USB debugging so ADB and file transfer tools can communicate with your device. Confirm any security prompts. For a snappier feel, change window, transition, and animator scale to 0. 5x are off. This affects UI animation speed. Also, review OEM unlocking only if you plan to unlock the bootloader. Otherwise, leave it off for safety. You finish by tailoring options to your goal. Enable Stay Awake while charging for long tests, and set Limit Background Processes if you need to reproduce low-memory behavior. If you plan to profile apps, keep Show CPU Usage or Profile GPU Rendering as required. Finally, make sure to exit settings and reboot so changes apply cleanly. If something breaks, like unstable apps, disable the last option you changed and reboot. That usually resolves conflicts without a factory reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.